Dusty. Hey, big dude. What's up? What's going on, everybody? Today I am taking the combine into the dealership. We rented this last season from the dealership, and there's some things that need to be done, maintenance things, little stuff the dealership agreed to fix before we bought it, and we did buy it last season. So we're taking it in today, and we'll leave it there and let them work on it, and it also gets it out of our shed, so it gives us a little room. Trees coming up. Hopefully we can get under them. I think we're good. Get on the other side of the road here. Yeah, we're good. Almost to where I need to be, but I gotta drive by the junkyard first. Yes, the promised land. If you guys want to get me anything for Christmas, I'll take one of those. And one of those. And anything else out here, really.
2 hours later.
All right, we just got all our seed corn unloaded. Some people might wonder why we have different size pallets and different products even. Each one of these is a different hybrid, and each hybrid is specific to the field that we want to put it in. So Iowa State University puts out a stat sheet on expenses and charged expenses and things like that for farms. So the average price for a bag of corn times however many. I'm not saying that's the price we paid, but that's the average. Hey, you. What are you doing?
Day 2.
What's up, everybody? We got the tractor back with the big tires on it. So why did we put monster truck tires on our tractor? Well, we'll find out. Those are big. It changes the whole look on that tractor. This might give you a little better perspective here, about actually how big these are. I am flat-footed on the ground. That's how tall these are. Crazy. So some of you might be wondering why we went to these big tires instead of the duals that we had on it. The duals that were on this tractor were 15 inches wide, and there was 2 wheels, duals, and these are just singles. They call them super singles. So these are LSW tires, which means low sidewall. So the actual part of the tire between the rim and the edge of the tire is smaller. The tire pressure on these compared to normal wheels are about 40% less. These tires are running at about 10 to 12 PSI, and a normal car tire, yeah, I'm not even gonna tell you because I don't know. So why did we go to these? They are wider, obviously. The wide tire will float over any wet ground or mud that we have. You'll have more rubber on the ground, so you're getting better contact with the ground. Goodyear's gonna come out, weigh the tractor, and tell us what PSI should be in each wheel. And that way we'll get the right performance that we need out of them. We won't get road hop. So the reason the tractor's a little dirty is once we got it home, we had to go pull out something that I got stuck in the mud, and we got to play in the mud a little bit with it. And let me tell you, these tires float over the mud pretty darn well. If we had the smaller 15-inch tires on it like we had before, we would have been stuck probably with much less rubber and just more pressure per square inch on the ground. So I think that's a good place to end the video here today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.